So hello everyone, welcome to Triaright. This is Pack 365. Myself Sujit. So in this session, we are going to see some more example related to our JSON and our pickle model. Okay. So the first question for this session will be write a program to read a JSON string and extract all the key. Means we know that whenever we are just try to discuss our JSON module, each and everything will be formatted like our key value pair. So now my requirement will be I just want to retrieve all the key that's present in a JSON object. Okay, so before that, first we are just try to create a JSON module, then only we can capable to extract all the things. Okay, how each and everything will be doing, we are just try to see. So first question for this session will be write a program to write a program to read a JSON string. Okay, read a JSON string and extract. Okay, extract all keys. Okay, so first, before we are using any JSON concept, first we are just try to import that. So here also we are just try to import the JSON model, because if I try to use any method, then first we are try to import that. So here we are just try to use some JSON function. That's why we are just try to import that. So import JSON. So after that, here the question will be saying that first we are just try to create a JSON object. Okay, so how to create a JSON string? We are just try to take a S. Okay, so here we are just try to create a string, or we can say that JSON string. So we know that whenever we are just try to dealing with that, JSON will be formed like our key value pair. So here we are just directly we are just try to take that. So how we can take, because we are try to take a JSON string, that's why I'm just try to give our single quotation. If you want to give your double quotation also, it's okay. Okay, so in this case I'm just try to pass single quotation. Inside this I'm just try to pass curly braces, because in our Python, if you want to show the data in the form of our key value pair, then we are just try to use our inbuilt data type, that is called our dictionary. So here also we are just try to take the same thing. So now I'm just try to take name, because here I'm just try to take a name, because everything will be format like our key value pair. That's why here I'm just try to take Sujit. Okay, after this is our first key value pair. Then the next key value pair will be I want to take our age. Okay, so age. Then here I'm just try to take. Okay, so age. Guys, if you see here, every time I'm just try to give our double quotation. Why I'm just try to give the double quotation here? Because in the outside I am already specifying the single quotation. Again, if I'm just try to create a single quotation, then here it will be creating error. Means as of now, this is our opening single quotation. If I'm trying to give a single quotation, then it will be not taking entire the dictionary. It will be taking till this one. Okay, that's why every time if are keeping outside the string, outside the quotation will be single. Then inside, if you want to use the again that particular thing, so at that time we are just try to use your double quotation. Okay, now the next one will be key value will be scale. Okay, the scale I'm just try to store in a list. Okay, so here I'm just try to say Python, and here I'm just try to take SQL. Okay, these are the thing I want. Okay, after I'm getting the things, means as of now I'm getting the JSON string. Now my requirement will be I just want to use that particular thing. Okay, means now my requirement will be first I'm just try to take that one. Okay, so how to load that particular thing? So in JSON we have a method called our load or our loads. Okay, so here we are just try to use this loads method. Okay, so means first I'm just try to take the data. Okay, means I'm just try to create an extra variable that is called data. Then here I'm just try to use JSON dot loads. Okay, means and now I'm just try to take this JSON object. Okay, so here my data will be S, means the JSON string will be stored inside our S variable. After that, now my requirement will be I just want to extract all the key. Okay, so how to extract? So guys, if you see, As of now, here my string, or we can say that JSON string will be formatted like a dictionary, means key value pair. Okay, so in the dictionary, while we are trying to discuss our inbuilt method, at that time we have already seen a method that is called our keys method. Okay, means the variable name dot our keys. Okay, so all the data were loaded into our data variable. Okay, now if I'm just try to performing any operation, I'm just try to take this data as a variable name. So if I'm just try to use any dictionary inbuilt method, so at that time I'm just try to use this data as a variable name. Okay, so here I'm just try to take this one. So now my requirement will be, I just want to take this one as a f string. Okay, due to this showing the all the keys. Okay, so that's why here I'm just trying to take keys. Okay, after I'm getting the keys, now I'm just trying to perform that all the keys that's available inside the list. I'm just trying to perform this one. Okay, so here I'm just, every time we are just trying to take this as f string, guys, right? So here I don't want to take is as f string. I'm just trying to print a normal ways. Okay, so if I don't want to use our f string, then if I try to separate, at that time you are required to use your comma. Okay, so here I'm just trying to typecast into, because I need to display that particular thing. Okay, so but if I'm just try to use any inbuilt method, so the syntax will be a variable name dot our method name. So here my method name will be keys, because my requirement will be, I just want to extract all the key from a JSON string. So here I'm just trying to use my data as my variable name. So here the method name will be keys. Okay, now if I'm just trying to run this one, so I just see the output. So as of now, my output will be saying that name, age and skill, because these are my keys. Are if you want to take the value, so at that time you can directly take that value. Okay, so guys, just see. So here I'm just trying to take values. Okay, so here you need to give some space. Now, if I not want to typecast, you can directly print, because I just want to show in a single format. That's why I'm just trying to take this one. Okay, so list, here I'm just trying to take the variable name dot our method name. So here I'm just trying to show as value. Okay, so now if I'm just trying to see that, so all the value are printed. Okay, so this is the way to extract all the key from a JSON string. Okay, so every time make sure that first you are just try to import the JSON module, then only you are able to perform some operation. Okay, now the next question for this session will be, first thing I just want to comment this one. Okay, so write a program to convert Python dictionary into JSON and sort all the keys. Okay, means I'm just try to take a key value pair and I'm just try to convert it into dictionary, or we can say that Python dictionary into JSON. Means here it will be saying that directly you are just try to take a dictionary. Here it will be saying that JSON string, but here it will be saying that you are just try to take a dictionary. Now you are just try to convert it and sorted all the key. Means how to sort it, means A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, just like that. We are just try to take the keys, means these are my keys. Okay, now first I'm just trying to write a program. Okay, so the question will be, write a program to convert a Python dictionary. Okay, so here I'm just trying to write fast the question, Python dictionary into JSON and sorted. Okay, and sort the keys that's available. Okay, how to do that, each and everything we are just trying to see now. Okay, so now before, if you see here, we are already seeing that every time if I'm just try to use that one, first I'm just try to import that thing. So here, just here also, first I need to import the thing. So here I'm just try to import JSON. After I am imported the things, now my requirement will be, I want to take a Python dictionary. So here my variable name will be D, means the dictionary. And here I'm just try to take some key value pair. Okay, directly I'm just try to take some ABCD. Okay, due to the, we can say that sorting thing. Okay, so here I'm just try to take Z, and here I'm just try to assign in some values. Okay, so here I'm just try to take A, and here I'm just try to take some value. Okay, here we are just try to sorted our keys, not the values, guys. Okay. So here I'm just, after I'm getting the dictionary, now my requirement will be, I just want to sort this JSON dictionary. Okay. So here I'm just trying to JSON dictionary because I just want to print every time. Okay. So how to use that? So every time if you see, as of now, we have a JSON dictionary, but we are just try to sorted the things in the formatted of our JSON object. So means first we are just try to convert our Python data into our JSON object. So how to convert that? Through the JSON module, we have two methods. Either we can use our dumps method or dump method to convert our Python data into our JSON object. So here also we are just try to doing the same thing. Okay. So JSON dot dumps. Okay. So here it will be take two mandatory argument, that is called our how to sort the things and which data you want to sort. So here I'm just try to pass my data as my D, and here I'm just try to performing our sort keys. Okay. Means I'm just try to performing. Okay. So here I'm just try to sort keys means only sorting the keys here. That's why I'm just try to specify that true. Okay. After I'm getting this, every time I'm just try to print our JSON dictionary means is that converted into our JSON object. Also, it will be sorting or not. Okay. Now we are just try to check both the things. So guys, just see. Okay. So due to the spelling mistake. Okay. So here you are just try to write our dumps method. Okay. So sorry for the error. Now, yeah. So guys, just see now if I'm just try to run this one. So guys, just see before whenever we are just try to create our dictionary, at that time our key value pair will be starting from our Z, A and M. But after I'm sorting that keys, it will be showing that A, N and Z. Okay. So this is the way we can sort our key by the help of our sorted key. Okay. Now, the next question for this session will be merge two JSON object into one. Means first we are just try to take two JSON data and we are just try to merge into one object. Okay. So how to do that each and everything we are just try to see now. Okay. So first thing we are just try to write the question. So write a program to merge two JSON object, okay, into one, okay, into one, okay. So how to do that each and everything we are just try to see now. So first thing we know that first if I try to performing some operation in our JSON, first we are just try to import that thing. So here also I'm just try to import the thing. So now here I'm just try to take our JSON first means the data, okay. So here I'm just try to take every time. Why I'm just try to keep it as JSON string? Because if you want to convert it the things, then you can convert it by the dumps, because I don't want to take that directly. If I want to take the JSON data, means you are just try to take a dictionary, also you are try to take a string also, because we are taking the JSON object, we are not taking the Python object. That's right. Okay. So here I'm just try to take two example. Okay. Means the key value pair. Okay. So here I'm just try to take name equal to Sujit. Okay. And the second JSON object, okay, JSON2 equal to, here I'm just try to performing the age. Okay. So here I'm just try to take it as age as 25. Okay. Now my requirement will be, I just want to take two JSON object and merge into a single object. Okay. So here how to do that each and everything we are just try to see now. So here we are just try to convert it into our dictionary, because we are taking the dictionary, or we can say that in the form of our key value pair. Means first we are just try to convert it into our Python data. So how to convert our Python data? By the help of our JSON.our load or loads method. So here I'm just try to take this loads method, and here you need to give your content. Okay. So here my content will be JSON1. Okay. Now I'm just try to take the same thing as my dictionary2. Okay. So here I'm just try to take JSON.loads, and here I'm just try to take as the JSON2 means the data, or we can say that the content. Okay. After that, here we are just try to merge this one. Okay. So how to merge this one? We are just try to see now. So here we are using our dictionary comprehension. Means here also we are just try to see our variable length non-keyword argument. Means W K KWARGS means how to represent by the help of our double asterisk. Okay, so here just also I'm just trying to performing the same thing. Means how many input as of now we have only one data. Means in the future, means every time we are just try to create for our different user input. That's why here I'm just trying to performing our dictionary comprehension as well as the variable length non-keyword argument, because here we are performing something like that. Okay, now I'm just trying to print that particular things. Okay guys, so here I'm just trying to converting our JSON dot our dumps, means we are converting into our JSON object. Okay, so here we are just try to converting or our call that merge. Okay, means first we are try to take the JSON data, then converted into our, means this is our JSON data, then converting into our Python data, then merge that, then again we are just try to convert our Python data into our JSON object. So now just see, we are just okay. So it will be saying the error JSON dot loads. Okay, so here we are try to performing that. Okay, 118. So JSON 2. Okay, we are just try to forget one comma. Okay, so sorry for the mistake. Okay, now I'm just try to run this one due to this spelling mistake. Okay, again we are showing the same thing. Okay, so okay, here we are performing two times. Okay, now guys just seen here we are able to converting and merge into a single thing. Okay, due to some error here, means while we are taking the data, that's why the error will become. Okay, means first we are try to take the JSON data, then we are just try to merge this. Means as of now we have only one data, means there might be chance that user can input some more data. That's why here I'm just try to take our double asterisk, means how many input you can get, that many input this function, or we can say that this dictionary comprehension and it will be converted into, or we can say that merge into our one object, because here we have only one object. Okay, so that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we are trying to discuss some more interview related coding question that's available in our JSON and Pickle model. So thanks for watching Triaright.